So you want to learn how to use Facebook for network marketing. Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you how I was able to enroll 289 members in 7 months with a simple 7-minute social media process that anyone can do. And I use Facebook to do it. Now, I have 4 free videos for you to go and check out. The first one is how I went from 0 sales and no list to my very first sale on social media. Video number 2, I'm going to teach you six big mistakes network marketers make on social media. Video number 3 is the opening question that made me the most sales in my business. And then video 4, I'm going to share with you the blueprint that I used to sponsor 289 members in 7 months. So if you want to get access to that, go ahead and click the link right below this video. It's going to take you to this page. Just click the yes, unlock video number 1 now, and those videos will be on your way for you to watch. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you over there on that page.